Hi guys, it's Riya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Rehan Kiss, and this is the first perfume from Rehan, that caged perfume bottle that I have. Rehan Kiss I have purchased from Scentopiaperfumes.com. I have a non-affiliated discount coupon code if you want to get some discounts on a minimum purchase of 2000. I'll leave the details right here. Also the link and the coupon details will be there in the description box. Let's get started with today's video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Alright, so let's begin with the packaging. It comes in this beautiful pattern where it's like a cage pattern with some beautiful design made here and the pink color is peeking through. आगे पीछे बॉक्स बिल्कुल सेम है, कोई डिटेल्स नहीं है ज़्यादा बॉक्स के ऊपर. एंड देन दिस इज हाउ द बॉटल लुक्स लाइक. ऐसा लगता है ना एक प्यारा सा मंडाला या फिर एक बहुत प्यारी सी रंगोली बनाई हुई है इस बॉटल के ऊपर. स्पेशली इफ यू मेड रंगोली एंड फॉर ऑल द फेस्टिविटीज वी यूजुअली डू, you will definitely relate to this pattern and this design, right? It looks very pretty, looks very beautiful, and those pink glass bottle is peeping through from this kind of like window. It looks absolutely stunning. Love the bottle. बाहर का ये जो डिज़ाइन है ये पूरा प्लास्टिक है, इट्स नॉट मेटल. बॉटल बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी वेट नहीं है. यू हैव टू बी वेरी माइंडफुल एंड केयरफुल विथ हाउ यू आर हैंडलिंग दिस बिकॉज ग्लास बॉटल है, बाहर प्लास्टिक है. ऑल्सो द कैप इज, I think it is metal. The sprayer is really nice and diffuses the product really well. Now this scent profile is a very sweet, fruity, lactonic, coconutty, praline, heavy, musky kind of a scent profile with definitely a very powdery kind of a dry down. Okay, now this one opens up with some strawberry and raspberry mixing up with some coconut and praline. Very fruity and very heavily sweet, but it gets even better and it gets even sweeter because then it has condensed milk with some heavy dose of caramel. Like अभी तक इतना sweet नहीं था और sweet हो गया ये. And then it has some white floral nuances of orange blossom and white blossom. Then everything is wrapped together, and when I say wrapped together, I really mean it in a way that all the sweetness is kind of enwrapped with a lot of maturity here. Vanilla, tonka, sandalwood, musk, very prominent along with the sweetness. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि टोंका बीन और वुडीनेस और मस्कीनेस को आप इग्नोर कर सकते हो इस फ्रेग्रेंस में. दे आर वेरी वेरी मच प्रेजेंट and they are the ones that make and balance this fragrance from ultra sweet gourmand to kind of like a tolerable sweet gourmand. I'm not kidding you when I say this, that it's like a type 2 diabetic level sweetness here. It could be dangerous for some people if you consume it. ये उतना level sweet है. So only if you love yourself a very thick, dense, heavy dose of gourmand elements, then go for this fragrance. Otherwise, run away from it. Think of a very modern fashionista, glamorous diva who's entering a bakery shop where they sell cakes, pastries, and they also sell ice creams or gelatos. And that girl has entered that shop. So it's like her aura mixing up with these berries, the sweetness, the kick of ice cream, everything together is kind of making this fragrance what it is. There's a certain kind of diva, glamorous energy in this fragrance mixing up with that whole lot of sweetness. So it does have a perfume quality to it while also being very sweet and delectable. Now this is a very thick, ooey gooey, dense kind of a fragrance that really sticks to the clothes and the skin and performs really well. Rehan Kiss, around 6 to 7 sprays of this gives me around 7+ hours of longevity. Trust me, you don't need more than 7 sprays because it does get cloying. It's a very thick and dense fragrance. Be very mindful of the number of sprays that you're going with. Rehan fragrances are usually very potent in nature, so don't overboard and don't like overspray without initially testing and trying this fragrance. You could end up with a huge migraine problem, headache, and clogged nose and all of that. So avoid that and go easy on the number of sprays. Maybe start your this perfume exploration with 2 to 3 sprays max. See how your body reacts to it. Okay, not every fragrance is meant to overspray. This is one of them. It is a projector, it is a banger, and it does not need to be oversprayed. She performs really well. Okay, so I get around 7 hours of longevity with around 6 to 7 sprays, and the projection and sillage is also very good on it. It creates a massive scent bubble around me, and people in distance can also sniff, and it creates a beautiful scent trail. This is a compliment getter. Even when I walked into a cafe and I was wearing this and I met my friend and I hugged her and we were sitting on the table and she was like, you know what, you are overpowering even the cafe ka smell, that coffee mixing up with everything, you are overpowering that. So she was like, every time there are like soft wisp of this fragrance coming my way and I'm just enjoying this. So she also really liked and appreciated this fragrance, and she even actually got a link from me that she said that she's going to order it from Scentopia. So overall, Rehan Kiss did not fail me in terms of how it smells, and it just met my expectations because I had seen so many reviews on Rehan Kiss and so many people were actually talking about it. It also seems to be inspired by Miami Shake from Juliet Has a Gun. I have never tried any of the Juliet Has My Gun fragrances. I really wanted to get my hands on them, but they're just kind of like quite heavy on the pocket, and I was like, you know what, when the dupes are available, I really don't want to put that kind of money. So I ended up getting this one and I am not disappointed. Like, I love myself a very thick Gomo fragrance, but I do understand not everyone does. So I'm giving you a statutory warning, a very blatant straight up reality check, that however this fragrance is absolutely divine, but do not purchase it if you don't like sweet and fruity fragrances. Okay, having said that, my overall rating on this one gets a whopping 10 out of 10. I have no complaints. A perfume that performs this well and kind of like checks my Gourmand boxes. Comes out very sweet, very sexy, very edible kind of a scent profile. I do love it. I enjoy it. The presentation is amazing, and overall I just love this fragrance. So that's it for today's video. That concludes Rehan Kiss review. I hope that you enjoyed watching it, and if you have any questions or doubts about this fragrance, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. And of course, the link of this fragrance along with my discount coupon code will be mentioned in the description box for you to check out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is myperfumediaries_. That's it for today, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.